Good morning, students. Today we shall start new topic, that is sets. Chapter number 1. You know that set. What is the definition of set? Set, which is well defined. You can say set is the well defined collection of objects. Set is the well defined collection of objects. For example, you can say set of natural number, set of rivers of India, or you can say the set of odd natural number. Here you can say sets of various kinds of triangles. Clear? You know that sets generally denoted by in set we use n. In this chapter we use n. N means set of natural number. And Z set of all integer, and Q set of all rational number, R set of all real number, Z plus set of positive integer, and Q positive means set of positive rational number, and R positive means set of positive real number. These symbols we use in this chapter. N set of natural number, Z set of integer, and Q set of rational number. Rational number already you know, the number which is in the form of P by Q and Q is not equal to 0. And P and Q are, you can say, integers. R is the set of real number, and Z positive means set of positive integer, and Q positive means set of positive rational number, and R positive set of positive real number. These symbol we use in the set. For example, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So sets generally denoted by capital letters. Sets are generally denoted by capital letters, capital A, capital B, capital C, like this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, these are called the element of the set, or you can say member of the set, or you can say object of the sets. Clear? Sets are denoted by the capital letters, but elements are denoted by the small letters also. You can say, you can write the set A, B, C, D, like this. Clear? The elements of the sets, small letter, but whole set we denote by the capital letter. Clear? And you know that in this chapter, if element 1 belongs to A, this symbol means belongs to, and this symbol means does not belongs to, correct? You know that 1 is the element of set A. 1 is the element of set A. It means 1 belongs to set A. And you know that 2 also belongs to set A. You can say 2 belongs to set A. 2 belongs to set A. Now can you say that 5 belongs to set A? Check again. 5 is the element of set A or not? 5 not belongs to set A. 5 not belongs to set A. And you know that set generally denoted by the curly bracket. For set we use these brackets. For set. Right? There are two types of sets. First, roster form, and the second, another name of this, tabular form, and the second is set builder form. Set builder form. Roster form For example, this is the roster form. When we write the element in the form of digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this A, B, C, D, that is called roster form. For example, set D is equal to, you can write 4, 3, 5, 1, 0 like this. So this is the set. This is the roster form. But in setable form, you can write the same thing in the words. For example, set of all x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number. Clear? Again check. How read? Set of all x such that x is a natural number. Again, set of all x such that x is a natural number. You can read like this. Set of all x such that x is a natural number. This is called set builder form. This is called set builder form. So another example of set builder form. Another example of set builder form. For example, set you can write 2, 4, 6, 8 dash. In set builder form, you can say set of all x such that x is even natural number. Even natural number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 dash. So in the set builder form, you can write set of all x such that x is even natural number. Or you can write set of all x such that x is equal to n, where n belongs to natural number. You can write like this. This is also the ways to write the set builder form. Clear? And the next is B, that is you can write 1, 2, 4, 9, 6, 11. You can write the element of set in any order. In any order. It is not necessary. The elements in the ascending order or element in the descending order. You can write the member, you can write the element in any order as you like. Clear? Similarly, this you can write, for example, 4, 9, 6, 10, 1, 2. The same meaning. Clear? But you know that in sets, elements are not repeated. Elements are not repeated. You can't write like this. 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 2. You can't write like this. Clear? Elements or member of sets not repeated. So you write 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6. Clear? For example, another example. For example, you want to write the letters used in the word school. SCHOOL. You want to write the letters of this word in the form of set. So you can write, that is S C H O and L. But you know that the letter O is repeated. Letter O is 2 times repeated. then you write here 1 times only. You write here 1 times only. You can write in any order. You can write also H, C, O, S, L. Clear? So this is your topic today. This is the main concept of exercise 1.1. Now we start exercise 1.1. 1.1, question number 1. 1.1, question number 1. Yes, now you can tell me. The collection of all the months of a year beginning with letter Z. The collection of all the months of a year beginning with letter Z. So it is well defined. You know very well. The months which start from the letter Z, January, June, July. It means this statement is well defined. Therefore it is the set. Second part of question number first. Collection of 10 most talented writer of India. The collection of 10 most talented writer of India. It is not set because it is not well defined. Some writers which is very most talented you appreciate, but some students doesn't appreciate. So therefore it is not set. It is not well defined. A team of 11. Third part of this question. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So this is also not set because when we use best, waste, good, it is not well defined. So therefore it is not set. And the fourth part, collection of all the boys in your class. Collection of all the boys in your class. It is well defined. Therefore it is set. And the fifth part, the collection of all the natural number less than 100. The collection of natural number less than 100. You can write very well. So therefore it is well defined. Therefore this is set. And the collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. A collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. That is well defined. You can collect all the books which is written by the Munshi Premchand. So this is set. The collection of all even integers. This is also set. It means first question you can solve. Question number second. In question number second, set A is given. Question number second, set A is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First part, 5 dash. Like 5 belongs to set A or not? 5 is the element of set A or not? If it is the element of set A, then you can write symbol belongs to. If it is not the element of set A, then does not belongs to. So you can say 5 belongs to set A. 5 belongs to set A because 5 is the member of set A. And second part of this question, 8 not belongs to set A. 8 not belongs to set A. Clear? Rest part you can solve. The question is very easy. Question third, write the following sets in the roster form. Question number third, write the following set in the roster form. First, set of all x such that x is an integer which lies between -3 less than equal to x less than 7. X is an integer. Integer. You know very well, there was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here -1, -2, -3. Now can you tell me minus less than equal to x, it means minus 3 is included. Minus 3 is included. X less than 7. X less than 7, it means 7 is not included. 7 is not included. Now tell me the answer. You know that minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the answer. This is the roster form of part 1. Correct? The question is, again I repeat, x is an integer which lies minus 3 less than equal to x less than 7. So therefore, the value of x lies between this is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is not, because 7 is not included. The second part of this question. Second part. X is a natural number less than 6. X is a natural number less than 6. So you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the answer. And third part. X is a 2-digit natural number whose sum is 8. 2-digit natural number whose sum is 8. So you can say 70 whose sum is 8. So 1 plus 7, 8. Next 2, 6 whose sum is 8. 2 plus 6, 8. Similarly 35, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80. These are the 2-digit number whose sum of its digit is 8. Next, fourth part of this question. X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. Which is divisor of 60. This is the fourth part. Prime number you know very well. For example, 2 is the prime number. The factor of 2 is 1 and 2. Only 2 factor. The number having 2 factor is called prime number. For example, 3 is prime number because the factor of 3 is 1 and 3. Okay? But 1 is neither prime. 1 is neither prime. 1 has only one factor. Therefore, 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. Therefore, the answer of D is that is prime. That is 2. You can write 2, 3, 5. This is the answer. 2, 3, 5. These are the prime number and the divisor of 60. And the fifth part, set of all the letters in the word trigonometry. You can write T, comma R, comma I, comma G, comma N, like this you can write. And in this word, O are repeated 2 times. So you write only 1 times O, clear? And R is also 2 times. R is also 2 times. So you write only once. And T is also 2 times. So you write only once. So for example, fifth part, set E. You write T, R, I, G, TRIG, O, N, M, E, Y. Okay? Because T and R already written by me. So this is the answer. Clear? Correct? Today, now your homework is revise this concept and try to solve example and clear? Thank you.